Hello children, how are you all doing today? I hope you are fine. Okay, today teacher is going to tell you a story. And this is a very interesting story of three brothers. But these three brothers are goats. Yes, these three brothers are goats. Okay, so I am going to introduce you to them. So are you ready to meet the three goats, the three brothers? Okay, so we start with the smallest. Okay, here, this is the smallest brother, and his name is the small Billy Goat. Okay, he is the smallest brother, and so his name is Small Billy Goat. Okay, let me introduce you to the other character. Yes, he is the middle brother. So his name is Middle Billy Goat. Yes, children, his name is Middle Billy Goat. Now, here comes the eldest, the big brother, and his name is Great Billy Goat. So he is the eldest, so we have named him Great Billy Goat. That's right. So here are the three brothers. Okay, the small Billy Goat, the middle Billy Goat, and the Great Billy Goat. And then there is another character. This character is very dangerous. You don't have to get scared. But yes, he is a monster. Now what is a monster? Who is a monster? A monster is like a bad man. Nobody likes him, because a monster always wants to eat people up. So here, this is another character in the story, and he is the monster, the bad man. So these are the character of the story, and I want you to pay careful attention to this story, because every story has a lesson. Every story has a message. Every story has some moral that you can learn. And I want you to pay very careful attention to this story, so that through the entire story you will be able to learn something really nice from this story. So children, I want you to make sure that you pay attention and listen carefully to the story. So here we go. Okay, the name of the story is The Three Billy Goats. Once upon a time, there were three Billy Goats. The smallest one was Small Billy Goat. The middle one is called the Middle Billy Goat, and the elder one was the Great Billy Goat. Now they all kept eating the grass and drinking some cool water from the river. One fine day, they saw that all the grass was over on their side. So the smaller one cried, "Oh, what are we going to eat now?" The Middle Billy Goat said, "Don't worry. Look at the other side. There is delicious grass there." The elder one said, "Yes, that's true. The only thing we have to do is cross the river." "Oh, but crossing the river is dangerous, because there is a big monster there. Monster, an evil person, an evil man sitting there, who will not allow us to go on the other side." So they all decided, and the smaller billy goat decided that I will go first. And so he went and clippity, 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 clop. He made that sound and he went. And then the monster comes out. Who is it? Who is trying to cross the river? The smaller one said, it's me. I want to go on the other side. But he said, no, you cannot. The monster got angry. He said, you cannot go on the other side. I'm going to eat you. So get ready. I'm going to eat you now. But the small billy goat said, oh, please don't eat me. I am too small. I have another brother who's coming after me. He is a little bigger and you will have a bigger meal. So let me go, please. Then the monster said, oh, he thought that's true. So he let the small billy goat go the other side of the river. Then the monster went back and he allowed the small billy goat to go on the other side of the river. Now what happened? Now the middle billy goat got ready to go on the other side of the river. So here he goes, clippity, 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 clock. And then the monster comes out. Who is it? Who is trying to cross the river? The middle billy goat said, it's me. And I want to go on the other side. My brother is waiting for me there. He said, oh no, you cannot go on the other side because I'm going to eat you up. But the middle billy goat said, oh, you don't eat me up. I have an elder brother, that is the great billy goat. He is on his way. You can eat him. He is going to be a big meal for you. So you can have the best meal. So please let me go. So the monster thought, oh yes, I will have a big meal. So he let the middle billy goat go on the other side. So both the brothers started eating and munching the grass. Now the greater billy goat is ready to go to the other side. And there he goes, clippity, 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 clop. And then the monster comes out and he is ready now to eat the great billy goat. But the great billy goat did not get scared. He just got himself ready to face the monster, to face the bad man. And so he took his horns, he made his horns, he got ready, and he with his strong horns went and he just hit the bad monster on his stomach, and the monster fell deep inside the water. And then the greater billy goat went on the other side, and all the three brothers enjoyed their meal together and they ate the delicious grass. So children, I hope you enjoyed the story and I hope you understood the story. Now, through the story, there is a moral for you to learn. And what is a moral? A moral is a lesson that we learn from the story. Okay, so there is always a lesson for you and for me to learn. So from this story, what do we learn, children? This story teaches us about these three brothers. These three brothers, when they were faced with a problem, they did not get scared. They were not afraid. But they unitedly stood together and they faced the problem that came in their life. And together they were able to destroy the monster, to destroy the bad man, and go on the other side of the river and they could eat the delicious grass. So children, many a times in our life, we too face a lot of problems. Small problem, big problem. But whether it is small problem or a big problem, you should always be fearless. You should not get scared and run away. But you should face it and you will get victory. So you need to believe in yourself. So I hope children, you have learned something from this lesson. Now teacher is going to do something with you. Okay, I am going to just try and put something for you and I want you to recognize them. Can you do that? Okay, so let's start. I'm going to put some pictures and you need to tell me who is that. Okay, they are some character from the story. So let's have some fun. Even if you don't know, it's okay. But just let's have some fun together. So this is the first picture. Oh, who is this? Yes, this is the monster in the story. Right? That's right, children. You guessed it right. He's the bad man in the story. And he didn't allow the goats to go on the other side. He wanted to eat the goats. So he was the monster, the bad man. Okay, let's look at the other character. Oh yes, who is this? Yes, children, this is the middle brother. What was his name? Middle Billy Goat. That's right, children. You are absolutely right. Middle Billy Goat. Now, can we go to the other picture? Yes. Watch it carefully. Oh yes, who is this? I know him. Yes, tiny little goat in the story. Who is that? Yes, he is the smallest. Right? He is the smallest brother. So, what was his name? Small Billy Goat. That's right, children. Small Billy Goat. Now, let's go to the other character. Oh, yes. He is the eldest brother. Okay, so he was the eldest. So, what was his name? That's right. He is the Great Billy Goat. Okay, what was his name? Great Billy Goat. So this was a small exercise, children, for you to just remember the character of the story. And I know as you remember the character, you will even remember the story. So thank you so much, children, listening to me, and I hope you have enjoyed the story. So take care. Bye.